We first arrived to the Rhein waterfalls and it was really beautiful, it was great. And then we arrived to Zurich after a short breakfast, which was also really good.
And we walked around the city, and also we go take a boat, and we have take around in the river, the lake of the Zurich, and we enjoyed much more. It was good, yeah.
And we found here most of the buildings it is classical architectures, and it is very amazing.
It's a hard question. Yeah, sure. I think like the river and the boats was my favorite part.
You know, the University of Zurich, it was really highlight for us because it was very historical university, and also the city was very history.
My personal highlight was the boat touring, and especially I saw some interesting, the most expensive stores in Zurich.
I think it's very good, especially for students, because students are people or guys who didn't have much money to spend the time and spend much money.
I would say to take the boat tour. Maybe walk all the promenade around the river is really great. Maybe to sit down in the garden is really nice also, and to try chocolate.
I will invite him. I will invite my friends to go around the city and check the interesting stores. If they want to shop something, if they want to buy something, they can find great watches, clocks.
Yeah, I especially thanks from the staff of pm2am student trip. And they did very well. They arranged all the things correctly, and we enjoy the group. We came here.
It's really great. I think all the managers and all the guys that are helping are really nice. Actually, we ate together. I asked them, and we ate together in a pasta place, and they're really cool. It's my second trip with the company. I first went to Amsterdam, and it was also really great.
pm2am student trip give us a chance to make new friends, and young people we hang out together is really amazing.